Hello and welcome to Tibet Action Institute. Thank you for coming to check us out. My name is Laden Tatong. I'm the director of Tibet Action, a new special project of Students for Free Tibet. We are just launching our programs and our website, and I think there could be no better time to do this as revolution is literally sweeping across the Arab world and beginning to percolate and show signs of life in places like Vietnam and China and other places in the world. So for us, this just seems like the perfect time to present this, this new program of SFT to the world and to explain a little bit about what we're doing. And really, for us, the key here is exactly what we've seen be successful in Tunisia, Bahrain, Egypt. It's all about taking advantage of the latest and greatest technologies, fusing them with good strategic, nonviolent organizing principles and methodologies, and then basically training people to use these powerful tools within good strategy so that ultimately we can win. Tibetans can win the nonviolent struggle for rights and freedom inside Tibet. And at the same time, we say Tibet Action Institute is technology, training, and strategy for Tibet and for the world, because it's not just about us. We want to share our ideas and our successes and our tools and resources with other people, certainly with allies inside China, and in whether it be East Turkestan or Inner Mongolia or Taiwan, with anybody who's struggling against the Chinese government. We want to share our resources and work together in solidarity with these other groups also, so that we can all be successful. And at the same time, we are committed to do this, to put forward new tools and resources for people in Tibetan language and in Chinese language. And ultimately, we believe this trifecta of technology, training, and good nonviolent strategy, this will be the way that we will be successful. This is how we can take charge, especially Tibetans. We can take charge of our movement and our struggle for rights, and we can see not exactly the same, but similar things. We can see a successful resistance struggle, revolution inside Tibet, inside China. It's not only possible, but we can make it happen if we take leadership and take charge now. So this is what Tibet Action Institute is all about. Please poke around our site. We're really just getting going, but you can see what we're up to and let us know what you think, your thoughts, your feedback, your ideas, and we look forward to a very bright future working with a lot of you out there too. So thanks for coming by, and more soon.